Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel, and here I am in the Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner for the week of January 22nd through to the 28th. And I'm going to be using the Books at Home 4 sticker sheet from the Giving Girl. And this is part of the Oops bundle that she had sent me. And I'm looking at this, and when it comes to the Oops bundles, it's basically that there's a little bit of an off cut, or the cut wasn't perfectly centered around the image itself, but I don't really see other than that, I don't see anything else that's wrong with these. But they're such gorgeous stickers and I cannot wait to use them. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is put down this big sticker in the corner. Oh gosh, isn't that so pretty? And it's crooked. That's just me. That's not anything to do with the sticker itself. So I'm also using the script washi that I purchased from the washi tape shop. And I feel like this works perfectly with this collection because it's Books at Home. So just placing a piece on top there. Ooh. Making sure that I can get all of that off. Oh, cute. And maybe put this. No, let's put something else there instead. This, or let's actually put the girl in the corner so she's actually looking at the rest of the spread. But it interferes where I'm going to place work. So maybe, and that's also going to interfere with where I place work. So maybe if I leave her there and put this one here. It's also crooked, sorry. I'm going to get a longer piece here, and then maybe just rip it. Ugh. There we go. Get some there. And then maybe add another piece down here. And probably place her here with maybe a plant up here. I feel like I could probably use all of these stickers here. Oh, I like it so far. These are very easy to use, and I'm not the type of person anymore to need a kit when it comes to planning. I like not having a prescribed formula for where to place my stickers down. I used to, but now with this particular paper, like the Tomoe River paper, I don't want to cover it up with boxes. I want to be able to use the paper the way it's meant to be used. Let's put this plant down over here in the corner. Oh, very cute. And then these 3 stickers, which I will probably leave down to the bottom here. Firstly though, let's get this out of the way. Whoops. What I will go ahead and do is, which pens do I want to use? I had looked at what my currently inked was, so I will probably use this one, or this one, or even this one, because this has purple. So these 3 would actually be really good, but even this one would be really good. Actually, looking at the colors here, those 4 along with that purple would all be very, very good. Obviously I'm not going to use all 4, but it gives me a choice as to what I could possibly use for this spread. So what do I feel like using? I think the pink would go really well, so let's do that for Sleep here in the corner. So keeping track of my sleep score. So this pen, if you're not familiar with it, this is my pen from Just Turnings. It is a pastel primary manipulation, and I love this pen. The ink in here is from Robert Oster. It is Melbourne Rose. It's from the Melbourne Pen Show from 2022. And that was sent to me by Jane with JP Pen and Ink. And it currently has an extra fine Yovo nib that has been ground into an Architect nib by Jack Hernandez. So fun. Then I'm going to, you know what, I'm going to use the purple because there's so much brown in the stickers that I want to use them. But now, is the purple going to be too similar? I'm just gonna, yeah, they look very similar. So I won't even use the purple now. I will use my Pelikan M800 in the brown black, and this has Sailor Yurameku Kitsune Biori. And this has a fine nib that has been ground into a cursive smooth italic by Jack Hernandez as well. And writing down my workouts down the side here. And then what I'm gonna do, I've started it in the last few weeks, is actually put habits down here as well. I keep track of habits in the yearly tracker, but it's nice to have them here on the weekly as well, just in case I forget to track them. So let's do habits. And I am doing, let's see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And I'm listening to my audiobook and then read 10 to 15 pages and meditate. Okay, I actually really like that. And then I still have a few stickers here which I can use down here as well. So, oh, what I do want to find though is quotes. One second. And I found some of these warm quotes from According to Allie. And let's see. I like this one. You matter. I'm going to place a few around the spread here. So let's see. You got this. And one more down here. Life is tough, but so are you. Ooh, hold on. But I've now got sticky stuff all over me. Hold on. I'm going to cut this and then place it on two sides of the page. So the life is tough, but so are you. And I put them not exactly in line because I want to add other stickers there. Oh, I like that. That's cute. And then I have one more set of book stickers, which I'm going to try and figure out where I want to put those. So, put those away. So now we'll go ahead and write in my work shifts. All right, so now that those are in there, I'm going to go in and start doing my little to-do lists. I keep losing my pens. So my little to-do lists. So for example, on Monday, I meal plan and order groceries, but I also need to do an insurance claim. Yeah, somebody backed into my car while I was parked in the parking lot waiting for Henry to come out of school. So now it's fine, very easy and straightforward, but it still takes time out of my day to do all of that. So anyway, Then on Tuesday is when my husband puts out all of the bins. So let's use, I'm trying to be really good about using all of the stickers that I have. So put out garbage. Whoops, out. And I'm trying not to buy any more icons this year. So far it's working out. Okay, then the next thing is groceries. So my husband will be picking up groceries on his way home from work on Thursday. But speaking of sticker sheets, one of the things I do want to keep track of, and it's too late for me to start doing that in January, but I want to keep track of how many sticker sheets I actually complete. This one will be complete by next week if I decide to use that sticker again next week. And there's something so satisfying about using up sticker sheets. So let's see. All right, and then I know I will probably be folding laundry somewhere in here, but I'm gonna leave that because folding laundry has kind of been whenever I can get to it. And the 27th, we don't have any plans. I'm skipping ahead. I don't know why I'm skipping ahead, but Friday. I had icon stickers here and now they're not there. So I think they might be in here. There we go. So Friday I need to weigh in. Oops. At Weight Watchers. Then once I do that, and then Henry has PD day that day, so I think he and I are going to have a little date day. Go out for, it's supposed to be a coffee date sticker, but I think we'll just have our little date, go out for breakfast or brunch, just him and I. Here we go. And Henry brunch date. Then I will still need to take, but I will take the kids out for bubble tea. Where is my bubble tea sticker? Where is my bubble tea sticker? Unless I've used it all already, but I don't think I have. I need to organize this better. There we go. Boba bubble tea. So I'll pick my daughter up from school because I do go to 2 different schools here. So bubble tea. Where's my pen? Oh my goodness. Take kids to Coco. Okay. Then that evening I have plans with Adrian. Very excited. We haven't decided where we're going yet, actually. We have to figure that out still. So I need to find a lovely sticker for our date. I think it's not in the relaxed sticker, but it's with not reading. No, not reading. Wow, I have a lot of reading stickers. It is gonna be under, wow, I have a lot of reading stickers. There's napping stickers. I'm gonna use the martini glass sticker for our date. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that down here. Oh my goodness. Let's organize a bit here. Yeah, when I start to not being, start to misplace stickers or just get haphazard about it, you know that I need to clean that up. So, dinner. Date with Adrian. Perfect. Okay. And then I know I have, do I have more cleaning stickers that I haven't used yet? Yes, yes. Finishing a sticker sheet. So satisfying. We will clean on Saturday. So it will be also bed linens and bathrooms and vacuum. Now, for us right now, it is working to clean on the Saturdays, but if I do enroll my kids in skiing, that is going to change. Dust, and then, and mop. My daughter's going to mop. No other plans on that day that I know of. And then Henry has a Ninja on this Sunday. Which is the best one to use? Let's do purple. So Ninja. And I think that is all for now. And all right, so let's clean up. I have one more sticker here that I need to put down. And then another sticker sheet. So very satisfying. Where do I want to put this down? Here? No. 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 I can actually put the two of these together and that'll look cute. All right, so that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. I really love the look of this, but I'll show you how it ends up getting filled out week on week. And I love the way that just life happens and, you know, fill it in with things. So really love the process of using my weekly now. I went through a stage in maybe the last couple of months of 2023 where I wasn't really referring back to it after planning, but now I feel like I'm in a place where I'm using this the way that I really want to, as both pre-planning but also memory keeping. And that is it for me. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and have yourselves a great day.